Hi all, this video is about the syllabus of lecture in computer engineering in government polytechnic colleges. Postcode was 064/2021. Okay, let's see the syllabus. First module 1, general knowledge and current affairs. In that we have to study salient features of Indian constitution and social welfare legislations and programs and Renaissance in Kerala. Okay, next one, efforts to reform the society. In that we have to study socio-religious reform movements, struggles and social rewards, role of press in Renaissance, awakening through literature, women and social change, leaders of Renaissance, literacy figures, and then general knowledge and current affairs. This general knowledge and current affairs might be a new topic for many of us. Like we know subjects little bit, but we don't know the GK and current affairs, right? So we have to focus on this area very much. I think it's for 20 marks or something, and for that we have to refer previous year questions and also current affairs, news and everything. And most of the time we have to do previous year questions to know which topics are very important from here. And let's score at least 5 to 10 marks. I think that will be a good marks. Okay, and next we are going to the technical section. In that, technical mathematics. So here everything is there: matrix, determinants, binomial series, trigonometric functions, coordinate geometry, differentiation, integration of functions, applications of integration. I think everything is there which we have studied in degree level. All maths entire syllabus is here. Okay, then basic civil engineering. In that, materials, construction, surveying, leveling. In BTech we studied this all in first year, right? In the basic civil engineering textbook everything is there. Next one, basic mechanical engineering, the importance of IC engines, the importance of power plants, it's already there in the first year textbook. Next one, I'm telling you about the Cochin University syllabus. I don't know about any other syllabus. Okay, in the Cochin University basic mechanical engineering and basic civil engineering, we studied this all in there, but we don't know now, right? But we have to do previous year questions to refer this, and we have to do, I think most of the computer based students don't have any idea about this basic electrical engineering and basic civil engineering and mechanical engineering and electronics. So we should focus on more on computer science areas, and the questions might be more questions from computer science areas only. Okay, then basic electrical engineering. In that, idea of basic electrical circuit parameters, electrical circuit of an installation. Okay, then essentials of electronics engineering, switches, microcontrollers, mobile technology, inverter and UPS, e-waste. Then coming to our subjects: data communication, computer networks, information security, mobile computing. Then digital computer principles, microprocessors, computer architecture, operating system, object-oriented programming through Java, data structures, software engineering, database management system, web technology. Almost everything we studied in BTech is here in the syllabus of lecture in computer engineering, right? So the entire 4-year BTech syllabus is almost everything is here, right? Software engineering and maths and everything. I think almost every subjects of computer science BTech is here. So it will be a vast syllabus. It is a vast syllabus. We have to accept that, and then studying this entire syllabus might be a difficult task for many of us, because we don't have any basic knowledge of many of the topics here in the syllabus. So we should start from previous year questions. That will be a very good idea, because if we start from here, the syllabus, we might get confused. Even looking at this syllabus we might get confused, because these all are many of this, I think majority of the topics here might be new for us. except those computer science syllabus, data structures, algorithms and all. Okay, so we have to, what should I say, we have to do previous year questions. That will be an easy task, otherwise it will become a tedious task. So we should start from previous year questions, and then we have to look through the more look through the topics from which the more questions came or something. So we have to go through the questions and find which topics are more important than others, and then we should focus on those topics. Okay, thank you and all the best, guys.